How to change backup email in Google Photos. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to change the backup email in Google Photos. To change the backup email address on your Google Photos, the process is straightforward. First, open the Google Photos app on your mobile phone. At the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. If your photos are currently being backed up, it is a good idea to pause or stop the backup process before making changes. Next, under your profile, you will see the Google account that is currently active. Tap on it, and you will get the option to switch accounts. If you already have another Google account signed in on your device, you can simply select it from the list. If the account you want to use is not there, just tap on Add another account. Enter your email and password and sign in. Once added, select that account as your new backup account. Finally, you can restart the backup procedure so that your photos and videos are saved to the new Google account. And that's it. By switching or adding a new account, you can easily change where your photos get backed up in Google Photos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.